Will it pass or will it fail? The fate of the Senate Republicans' effort to repeal and replace Obamacare is anyone's guess.
My view is it's probably going to be dead.
In my view, failure is not an option.
It's very, very difficult when you can only lose 2 votes, and there may already be 2 that are irretrievable. We're in a tight spot, but we've got to give this every effort.
So what issues are threatening to sink the bill? First, there's the issue of Medicaid funding. Nearly 75 million people are now covered by Medicaid. That's 1 in 5 Americans. 31 states and the District of Columbia expanded Medicaid under the Affordable Care Act, and roughly half of those states are represented by at least 1 Republican senator. Some of those Republicans say that the Senate bill would freeze Medicaid expansion too quickly, and moderate Republicans fear broader Medicaid cuts would leave too many vulnerable Americans uninsured. But conservative Republicans argue that Medicaid spending is unsustainable and needs to be reined in. Then there are insurance regulations. Senator Ted Cruz introduced a proposal to allow insurers to sell so-called skinny plans that are cheaper and less comprehensive.
Let's focus on lowering premiums. Give people more choices, more options, more freedoms, and lower premiums. That'll be a win, and that's how we unify our conference.
Health experts say the proposal would likely lower premiums for healthier Americans, but premiums for those who are sicker could skyrocket, and that could force some moderates to withhold support.
I'm very concerned about the cost of insurance for older people with serious chronic illnesses.
Finally, there's the issue of taxes. Conservatives want to repeal all of the Affordable Care Act taxes, including a 3.8% tax on investment income for wealthy Americans. But some moderates say that tax should stay, since it provides more than $170 billion in revenue over a decade.
There are Republicans getting so weak-kneed, they're saying, oh, we're afraid to repeal the taxes. What happened to these people? They all were for repealing Obamacare. Now there's virtually no one left.